Have you ever wondered what happens when you put Twisties in the microwave? As you can see, there they are. All twisty-like and stuff. Right, so let's go. And the Twisties for, say, 2 minutes. And now I play the waiting game. I hate this game. We're ready! Ooh, it's hot. Struck hard. Oh, they're very burnt. Oh my god. And the smell. Seriously. Oh my god, they stink. It's, ugh. Alright, here it goes. I'm gonna eat one. Oh, oh god, seriously. Trust me. You don't want to do that. It only had a small bit, and look, there's much worse ones I could have. That, oh my god, look, it's like, oh, well that's nice. Oh, let's get it on a better light. Yeah, that's quite horrible. Okay, yeah. Well, good luck enjoying that. Toasted Twisties, a snack for morons. Ah.